In this video, we're going to be showing how to select a guideline for horizontal alignment or vertical. So if you had a pipe run and you had the polylines drawn from invert out to invert in, you could select it and use the height and alignment. For this demo, we're just going to use the center line here. So we're in the run screen where you would normally excavate from. So with your finger, you would just tap and hold on the line you want to follow. Comes up with your reference options. Here you can select which line you want to use for height, for horizontal. So we'll go and pick the center line of the road. So now up here it's giving you a bar or arrow and a number here telling you to go left or right. So in real time, as you move around, it's going to tell you which way you need to go to get to it and when you're in line with it. And it's always going to reference that line in this scenario. So we want to, that's one way of doing it. Another handy feature it has is instead of referencing a single line, you can also click and hold, and we can change it to auto snap. So when auto snap mode comes alive, you can see the color of the line changed. Now it is referencing the line in between the next polyline that it's closest to. So right now it's closest to the center line, so that's the line it's referencing. As I move away from it, it's still referencing that center line until I get halfway to the next one. And now it's telling me it's referencing this line over here at the shoulder. So it's telling me I got 14 feet to go to it. So it's going to automatically grab the one that's closest to in between the polylines you have on the screen. So now we're left to get to this one. So a quick way to use guidelines and run with it. So I'm going to select back on my main centerline file. So we've got it live now. So now we have our offsets. So I'm going to do a side offset, and you can see the value changing up at the top up there. You can also click on it. So I just want to do 4 foot, and now it's going to guide you to 4 foot offset. Of course, it's the other way, and I only spin one direction on this simulator. So it'd be right around that area. That's all there is to it. Thank you.